Can the Diplomats repeat? F&M's women's lacrosse team is headed back to the Final Four. The Diplomats are the defending champs, and they're back to defend their title this weekend in Salem, Virginia. The Diplomats will take on the College of New Jersey on Saturday, and if F&M wins that game, they'll be back in the final for the second year in a row.
We've grown a lot as a team. The biggest difference between last year and this year is they were the underdogs last year, and they were the hunted this year, and they had a tough time with that, where we were the target and not the one chasing. And it took us a while to kind of get used to that, but I think the Salisbury loss really helped us in that respect, because then we had to chase again. And I think that's our most comfortable position, is going after someone else and not being the hunted. We have the team that can do it. We had the team last year to do it. And I think, you know, we've put ourselves in that position. There are 174 teams in Division III. We're one of the top 4 for sure, but I think we can finish it, and I think it's been different this year because of the pressure of having won already once. They didn't want to lose this year, and that mentality, playing not to lose as opposed to just playing to win, cost us the game we lost. And we would really like to see Salisbury on Sunday.
We are going to definitely have a lot of pressure on us after defending the title, knowing that we were undefeated, so it's like if that loss comes, it's a pretty big thing that we had to defend, and I think we handled it okay when we did lose, and right now it's, I think, for the better. We realized that things we needed to work on to get here again, and being there last year definitely pumped us up for this year, because we know what it's like, and it was just a blast. It was so much fun.
We feel like we need to show people that they need to respect us, and they don't, and doing another one, making it like we can do it, you need to show us the respect, you need to see what we can actually do. That's probably the biggest thing that we have to do, and I really think we can do it this year.